Long press the M button to access device settings. Adjust photo resolution from 3 megapixels to 48 megapixels for different storage and image quality needs. Choose the video resolution that works best for your recordings. Set the correct date and time for accurate file information. LCD backlight adjusts the screen brightness. Higher levels make the display brighter, while lower levels can help extend battery life. Date and time tag lets you add a timestamp to your photos and videos. Language allows you to select your preferred system language, including English, Japanese, German, French, and Italian. Frequency helps reduce screen flicker under different lighting conditions. In most cases, the default setting is recommended. Power Save automatically turns the device off after a period of inactivity to conserve battery power. Format SD erases all files stored on the memory card. Make sure to back up important files before formatting. Default setting restores all menu options to factory defaults. Software Quad is used when installing new firmware provided by WOSPORTS. Version displays the current firmware version.